Friends, I Abhinav Negi welcome you all on BYJU'S exam prep. In this particular session, guys, me and Richa ma'am will be doing the complete ISRO mock test once again on your demand, guys. Complete means all technical subjects. Complete means allied part also, and complete means apti also. Whatever the syllabus of ISRO, everything will be done exactly as per ISRO pattern. Okay, so guys, keep sharing and like the session so that more and more students can join it. Okay, guys, before going further, let me tell you that today again I'll be coming here at 9 p.m. for the Geotech series. Okay, not Geotech series, engineering service series. So complete engineering services PYQ of 2021, 2022, 2023 will be done in this session. Okay, and this I'll be coming on app where I'll be telling you one trick, beautiful trick of strain energy, one question and one real life problem of strength of materials. Okay, and this is the workshop, guys, that will be tomorrow. Okay, that will be tomorrow, guys, Wednesday. The time will be 7:30 p.m. guys. Here what will be, guys, that everybody knows strategy, but how to execute it properly. Okay, what should be the correct steps for execution, but because at this particular time students are not having difficulty in finding the strategy, but they are finding sometimes difficulty in how to execute it. That I'll be telling you in this session. Please do register for this workshop. Hi Saga Bhandari, how are you? Okay guys, okay, this is the scholarship test that will be on 27th of August. You can give this test and get up to 90% discount. You can also join my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav sir. More than 5,000 students have already joined. You can join there for the PDFs, for the links, for the doubts, for the discussion, anything, guys. Okay, let me just tell you first ISRO pattern, guys. ISRO will be a 100 marks exam, then followed by interview, and the final selection will be on the basis of written test plus interview both. Okay, now the 100 marks exam will be 80 marks will be the technical. That will be 80 marks will be part A. I'll further bifurcate it. And B part will be aptitude. In A, that is part A, 60 marks will be technical, civil engineering subjects. Here 80 marks, 80 questions. This time the pattern of ISRO has been changed. Okay, 80 question, 80 marks, every question 1 mark, every question 1 mark, and negative marking is 1/3. Out of these 80 questions, 60 questions of civil, that is 60 marks of civil, again plus 1 for every question and minus 1/3 for every question. Okay, then 20 will be allied, again 20 questions plus 1 and minus 1/3. Okay, so allied means the topics which are related to civil, like it is earthquake, like it is remote sensing, GPS, all these things are which are allied. Now let me tell you, as per ISRO, there is no syllabus given. There is no official syllabus of ISRO of technical allied. Okay, so I have taken some allied parts which are related to civil. Most probably the questions can be asking from there. Yes, Baisali from Guwahati, how are you? Okay, so 60 questions here plus 1 minus 1/3, 20 questions here plus 1 minus 1/3. Baisali, please share the session. Here 20 marks, na? But here if you see the actual notification, it is not of 20 questions. This will be 15 questions here and no negative marking here, plus 1, and it is 0 here. And it will be aptitude part. So total it will be 60 plus 20 plus 15, 95 questions. 95 questions will be there for 100 marks, and expected cutoff for civil engineering, if I say in the number of seats. This allied part was earlier for mechanical, electrical, electronics also when notification comes. But after 7 days in their notification it is deleted. But in our notification, that is in civil engineering program office, it is still there. Okay. Now one more thing I would like to tell you, 95 questions here na, out of the 60 questions here 35 questions I will be taking and 25 questions Richa ma'am will be taking. Out of 20 questions here 10 me and 10 Richa ma'am will be taking, and here all 15 questions will be taken by Richa ma'am. Expected cutoff, guys, for this session, or not for this session, for ISRO exam is around, you out of 100 guys, you should be scoring more than 72 marks. This is the expected cutoff, and for this session also we have taken the cutoff should be 75. If you want to evaluate yourself in this session, you should be getting more than 75 marks, guys. Keep sharing, everyone. Everyone, guys, come on. Shall we move? Okay, guys. Now remote is not working. This is the allied parts. Okay, that is expected because no official syllabus is given. Allied means which are related to civil. Okay, project management, remote sensing, engineering, drawing, metallurgy, and all these things which are related to civil. Okay, before going to the first question, let me again tell you guys that today I will be coming at 5 p.m. on app free class, where I'll be telling you one trick plus one civil engineering real life problems when you go to the office plus one gate numerical. This will be 5 p.m. Then 9 p.m. guys on YouTube again I am coming for complete PYQ of soil engineering services PYQ of 2021, 2022 and 2023. And guys on Wednesday guys super duper workshop with the limited seats this time 7:30 p.m. where I'll be coming with a workshop how to execute the strategy. Okay, this is question number 1. For every question guys I'll be giving you 50 or 1 minute guys. Okay guys, come on guys, come on everyone. Question number 1. This is a cantilever beam. The span of the beam is 16 meter. Okay, this cantilever beam is fixed at A and propped at B. Here also some reaction will be there. Let it be RB. It is propped at B. The beam carries a UDL of 1 ton per meter. Okay, 1 ton per meter. The reaction at B is, due to this UDL it will be going down. Due to this UDL it will be going. Guys, no MSQ and no NAT questions today because this is ISRO. And of course the difficulty level will be much lesser than the gate exam. The difficulty level will be much lesser than the gate exam. Okay, so don't compare. If I take gate mock test, then it will be really challenging because ISRO will not be asking that much stuff. WL4 by ATI, this is the downward deflection due to UDL. Due to reaction, it will be going upward. This will be RB into L cube by 3I. Both has to be same. Why both same? Why both same? Because net deflection at B has to be 0. Net deflection at B has to be 0. So from here, the RB value is equal to 3WL by 8. So it is 3. What is W? 1 into length 16 by 8. 8 to the 16, it will be 6 ton. Okay, good. Sagar Bhandari ne direct formula yaad rakha hua hai. Come on guys, can you please all write down your cities, from which city you belong to? Everyone. Now again, 1 minute guys. A thin cylindrical shell experience circumferential strain and axial strain. Axial strain is longitudinal strain. Circumferential strain is also called as hoop strain. When subjected to internal pressure P, if the Poisson ratio of the shell material is 0.3, if the Poisson ratio of the shell material is 0.3, the ratio of circumferential and axial strain would be for 2D case. Chalo bhai log. फटाफट से, come on, keep sharing. भोपाल, सागर भंडारी, ओके. भोपाल में आप मेरे से पढ़े थे क्या ऑफलाइन? नहीं, आप तो उस समय बीटेक नहीं किए होंगे शायद. यूजुअली आई आस्क दिस टू माय स्टूडेंट्स कि आप मेरे से ऑफलाइन में पढ़े हो, बट आई शुड नो दैट दिस शुड बी अप टू 2020, 21 and at most 22 because I taught in offline up to 2019 only. If 2023 I am teaching right now, students that time were not in BTech. Okay. Guys, what is the strain? Can you all please let me know answers? What is the circumferential strain? Sigma H by E minus mu sigma L by, it is PD by 4TE. PD by 4TE into 2 minus mu. What is the axial strain? That is also called as longitudinal strain. It is PD by 4TE into 2 minus mu. Okay. So how much is the answer coming? Can you please let me know? PD by 4TE into not 2 minus u to hoop. This is 1 minus 2 mu. Now epsilon 1 divided by epsilon 2. P, this will be cancelled. Mu is how much? 0.3. So 2 minus 0.3, that is 1.7, and 1 minus 2 mu, that is 1.7 upon 0.6, 0.4, 17 by 4. 17 by 4 is 4.25. Good. Excellent guys. Now question number 3. Everyone. Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, guys. Come on. Kill this question. Kill this question, guys. Kill it, kill it, kill it, kill it like anything. Guys, let me tell you, these all are straight lines. If you are not able to see on your mobile phone, these all are straight lines with different slope. Different slope is visible, I guess. मेरे मोबाइल पे दिख रहा है क्या? Different slope is visible. Yes. Yes, guys. Let me be little side. नीचे हो जाऊं? नीचे हो जाऊं ऐसे? Okay. लो थोड़ा सा ऐसे हो जाता हूँ. बताओ बताओ बताओ. Come on. Come on, guys. The cantilever is fixed at E. If it is fixed at E now, guys, then the bending moment diagram will not be 0. It is 0 at the free end. Sagar, as it is not mentioned here, but they may ask 5 to 10 questions in the technical part. No point load X. If no point load X, then why it is straight line? It is straight line. That means point load is acting. Then only if it is UDL, then BMD will be parabolic. There is at least one portion of cantilever where uniformly distributed load acts. If at any portion it is UDL, then BMD will be of 2 degree. If at any portion it is UDL, BMD will be of 2 degree. Okay. So there are at least 4 concentrated loads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. On the cantilever, yes. Because whenever there is point load, in that case, guys, BMD will be straight line. And as slope is changing, so there will be this. Got it? Got it, friends? Everyone? Okay. Question number 4. Do this. Fast. Figure shows the SFD of a simply supported beam. The diagram suggests, guys, there is concentrated load at point B. If it is concentrated load now, then shear force will be jumping here. If it is concentrated load, shear force will be jumping here. Uniformly distributed load exists between A and B. UDL exists between A and B. Okay, it is existing. Because if UDL is there, then SFD will be 1 degree. Uniform between C and D, no. If it is UDL, it will be a straight line for SFD. D is there is uniformly distributed load between A and C. Yes. So instead of this, this is the better answer, because uniformly distributed load is from A to C both. A to C complete, because complete it is straight line. Okay. Whenever it is UDL, you know this, that straight line is 1 degree. Give me yes or no. Give me yes or no. Everyone please. Everyone please. Okay. Now question number 5. Everyone on the comment section. Everyone on the comment section, please tell me. Please tell me. Please, 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 please. हट जाऊं क्या? चलो. मचा दो, मचा दो. Yes, सागर, absolutely correct. कैसे हैं भाई सब होशंगाबाद में? और वो कौन सा मॉल था? BD नहीं, DB. Okay, guys, maximum shear stress is asked in the tape. This is the tape. This is the tape. Okay. So, guys, sigma by Y is equal to M by I is equal to E by R. Is equal to E by R. So, sigma max is equal to E by R into Y max. What is E? 100 gigapascal. So 100 into 10 की power 3 megapascal, because here the answers are in megapascal. What is R of this? What is curvature here? R. R here is of this pulley. That is 25 by 2. That is 12.5 mm. That means 10 की power minus 3 meter. R curvature here will be same as that of pulley na. For here the bending stress will be coming in this tape. This is the tape. This is the tape. Bending stress will be coming here. So here the curvature of this is same as that of pulley because it is over pulley. Okay. Into Y max. So y is from neutral axis. What is Y max? What is 0.2 by 2? That is 0.1 into 10 की power minus 3. So 10 की power minus 3, 10 की power minus 3 cancelled, and it will be 100 into 10 की power 3. Okay. This, let me cancel this. This is cancelled, and 100 upon 12.5 is 8. So 8 into 10 की power 3 is 8000. 8000 into 0.1 is 800. That is D option. Absolutely Pooja. How much you are getting correct, guys, till now? How much you are getting correct, guys, till now? Okay. Let us move to question number 6. Let us move to question number 6. Chalo. The maximum bending stress. So maximum stress is M by I into Y. Okay. So M is same. So I here is equal to M BD cube by 12 and Y is D by 2. Okay. Sorry, it is B by 2 now. D is B by 2. D is B by 2. D is B this. What is here? M by I. I is BD cube by 12. So B by 2 into B cube into 12 into Y max. So from here it is B by 2. What is this divided by this? Sigma A by sigma B. What is sigma A by sigma B? C option you are saying. C option you are saying. What about others? What about others, guys? जल्दी से बता दो. जल्दी से बता दो. कितना आ रहा है? कितना आ रहा है भाई लोग? आ दो भाई. 16 तो क्वेश्चन नहीं कराया वेंकटेश. This is question number 6 only. This is question number 6 only. Tell me please. Devanshu is also saying C. 12m cancelled. This is D by 2 na. So D by 2. This is B by 4 na. D is B by 4. Okay. Now how much is coming? So it is 12 into 8 by 4. Everything will be cancelled. So this is 12 into 8 by 4. Everything other will be cancelled. So it is a 4 here 12. It is 16. Let me come here. So 12 into 2 into 2, 48. So 48 and something we are missing. 2 into 2, 12 to 48. And this is 3. This is 24. 4 here 12, 24. Guys, 24 by 48. It is C option. Okay. Okay, guys. Seventh. Come on. What is the expression of strain energy due to bending in a cantilever beam? P here at the free end. Okay, so at x distance from here, what is bending moment? Bending moment at x distance is minus px. What is strain energy? Strain energy is mx whole square upon dx upon 2i for the whole beam. So px whole square, p square will be common, 2ei common, x square integration will be x cube by 3, take it 3 here, 0 to L. Okay, so it is p square L cube by 6ei, and you can do by half p delta also. Either you can do this by this or you can do this by this. Half P into delta. So half P into delta. Delta is PL cube by 3EI. So that will be option number B. That will be option number B. Guys, I am again telling you that today at 9 p.m. I am coming with soil PYQ. Today at 9 p.m. I am coming with soil PYQ of engineering services. Complete 2021, 2022 and 2023. Complete PYQ will be there tonight at 9 p.m. Then at 5 p.m. I am coming on app about one trick, one question and one real life problem of strength of materials. And Wednesday is the super duper workshop. Wednesday is the super duper workshop where I'll tell you not strategy. Every time we are telling strategy. First time ever I'll be telling you how to execute the strategies. Okay. Okay. Let us move to question number 8. Do this. Hit this question hard. Hit this question hard, guys. Everyone. Exam might be October, guys. Earlier we are thinking that it should be in September, but still the dates are not announced. At least 20 days before they will be announcing the dates. At least 20 days before they will be announcing. Chalo, nice question. क्या पूछा है? Consider area of cross section made 4 times. Area 4 times means area is equal to pi d square by 4. Area 4 times means diameter here d and it is changed to 2d. When diameter we change by 2d, area becomes 4 times. When diameter we change to 2d, area becomes 4 times. Now maximum bending moment is force into distance. Bending moment has nothing to do with cross section. What is bending moment? Force into distance. It has nothing to do with cross section, guys. So it is force into distance. Okay. So this will be maximum bending moment will be same. 2 option. And when it is 2 option, that means this cannot be correct, this cannot be correct. Now deflection. Deflection is equal to PL cube by 3EI, or I is also always in denominator. So I is pi d4 by 64 into 6 like this. So if d is changed to 2, deflection will be 16 times 1 by 16. So 2 4. So 2 4, of course B will be there, guys. Okay. Bending stress is m by I into y. Okay. So m, so here it will be coming d4, pi d4 by 64, and here it will be d by 2 or whatever d. So it is proportional to d cube. So when diameter is changed to 2 times, it will be changed by 1 by 8. Okay, similar section modulus I by y max, you can check, it will be 8 times. Okay, get it, guys? Let us move to the 9th question. The deflection at the free end. Of course, wrong figure. From here to here it is curve, then it is straight line. Because bending here, what is bending stress is 0, bending moment is 0, and we know that m by I is equal to E by R. Okay, when m is 0, so 0 is equal to E by R. E is a finite number, therefore R will be infinite. R will be infinite means straight line. So what is deflection here? 23 seconds left. WL cube by 3I. Length is not given. So take it L and L. And then take E option, none of these also. Take it L by 2. The cantilever loaded deflection free end. So W into L by 2 ka whole cube into 3 EI. EI is 2 EI. This is the deflection here. Plus this is the deflection here. Now plus this one. This one is theta into L by 2. So theta is WL square. L by 2 whole square. P L square by 2 EI. 2 into 2 EI. Okay. Into length. Length is L by 2. So whatever answer is coming, you may check that this EI is never come in the picture. This EY is never in the picture. So how much answer you are getting from here? So WL by EI I am taking common. 1 by 8 WLQ by EI you take it common. So it will be here 1 by 8, 16 is a 48 plus 1 by 8, 16 to 32, 64. Please check it is coming same. I am not very good at calculations. I am not very good with the calculation. Please check. यही आ रहा है, यही आ रहा है. This is correct. This is correct. Please check. 2 4 to the 8 to 32 आएगा ना. This will be 32. So 96 will be the LCM. So 5 by 96 will be there, है ना. 9 LCM will be 40 96. Yes. So 5 by 96 will be coming. 5 by 96 will be coming. How you are saying WL cube by EI? Have you taken L value here? Are you saying for LNL? Are you saying for LNL? Please comment. Sagar, Deep, Vanshu, Yadav ji. Are you giving for LNL by taking both values L? Okay, whatever. This is the method, guys. You can do it, not wasting time. Let us go to the 10th question, guys. Here, everyone, find what is delta 1. Delta 1 is PL cube by 3I. Okay, what is delta 2? Delta 2 is here deflection plus how to find this delta 2? How to find delta 2? In delta 2, now first of all remove this. Find u2 only w by 2. PL cube by 3I. Okay, by taking L आ रहा है, तो by taking L आ रहा है तो ठीक है. L by 2 के लिए तो ये आएगा, तो अपन तो L by 2 के लिए ही करते हैं. तो हमारा तो 5 by 96 आएगा फिर, है ना. ठीक है. सो W1 तो वो हो गया. Now for delta 2 remove this. Find u2 that w by 2 into L cube by 3I. Then remove that. Then this is previous question. Then this is the previous question. Okay, W1 you know. Due to W1, due to W2 you can find out. Now remove this, and due to this you can find by the previous method. This beam can be written as like this and like this. This one time only due to this, one time only due to this. This is the standard result, and this is the previous question we have done. Okay, come on, do this, guys. Do this, guys. Come on. A solid shaft of 80 mm diameter subjected to twisting movement. If shearing stress is not to exceed 50 Newton per mm square, then the angle of twist for 8 meter length is, guys, tau max is equal to 16 T by pi d cube. Okay, and tau max is given, yes, 50, 16 into T upon pi into 18 to 10 की power minus 3 whole cube. From here find T and then apply phi is equal to TL by GIP. Diameter is known, so IP is also known, G is also known. From the first equation find क्या? T and then put it here. How much you are getting? How much you are getting? Everyone, please. Please check. Might be you are getting C option. Let us move to the 12th. Pick out the correct statement. That the direction of magnetic meridian is variable. Yes, because magnetic field changes due to a rotation of Earth. The direction of true meridian is invariable. Yes, this is also correct. The magnetic bearing of line varies with time. Since magnetic meridian is changing, so it is varying with time. Magnetic meridian through various stations are considered not parallel poles. Yeah, incorrect पूछेगा. Okay, so answer will be D. Incorrect पूछेगा, incorrect. Otherwise वो MSQ बन जाएगा. Guys, in plane surveying, that means the points are not very far apart. Plane surveying means the points are not very far apart. So the magnetic meridian in case will be same, will be parallel unless there is no local attraction. 13th, oh chalo bhai chalo. Maximum shear stress developed on the surface of solids under pure torsion is 240. If the shaft diameter is doubled, then the maximum shear stress developed, guys, tau max is equal to 16t by pi d cube for solid circular section. So tau max is proportional to d cube. Okay, so when the diameter is doubled, it will be reduced by 8 times. So 240 by 8 will be 30. When diameter will be reduced by, or diameter is doubled, diameter doubled, so it will be 8d cube. Tau max will be reduced by 8 times. 14, come on. For this assembly, due to W load, what is the deflection? For this spring assembly, due to W load, what is the deflection? These two are parallel. So parallel means 1 by k equivalent is 1 by k plus 1 by k is equal to 2 by k. So k equivalent is equal to k by 2. Okay, then this is changed to k by 2 and this is s, I am saying as k na. Oh, leave it now, then you can say s by 2. S by 2 and this is s. Now these two, oh some mistake. Parallel का ये formula नहीं होता है ना. Parallel is not this formula. Parallel here is k plus k, s plus s, 2s. Parallel formula is k equivalent is k1 plus k2. And here the k equivalent is 1 by s plus 1 by 2s is equal to 2s, 2 plus 1. So k equivalent is 2s by 3. Deflection is asked. So deflection is w by k equivalent. So w by k equivalent is this. So it is 2s by 3. 2s by 3. So 2s 3. 3w by 2s. 3w by 2s. Option number A. Yes, everyone. Question number 15. Let us go further, guys. Come on. Keep commenting your answers, guys. Come on. Kahan gaya? A stratum of soil consists of layers of equal thickness. The thickness is same. The thickness of 3 layers are same. H. Zakir Khan ka tha na? Kach. Okay, the probability of both the top layers is 10 to the power minus 4. This is 10 to the power minus 4. This is 10 to the power minus 4. 30 seconds left. This is 10 to the power minus 3. Then the value of horizontal ko parallel wala पूछ रहा है. So k equivalent is equal to k1 h1 10 to the power minus 4 plus k2 s2 plus k3 into s3 upon 3h. Okay. So it is how much? 2 into 10 value बता दो. जो भी आ रहा है check कर लो. जो भी आ रहा है calculate कर लेना भाई. Whatever the value coming from here, I have written the expression, guys, for you. Now, effective, we consider the following statements. Effective stress in a sand layer below a lake with standing water does not alter as the water level fluctuates. Yes, this is the sand bed layer. Okay, and above is the water. As you know, above is the water in lake. If even it fluctuate here, then also no effective stress change, because whatever sigma is changing by the same amount, pore water pressure also changes. So this is the correct statement. Regarding water table below the ground surface, any rise in water table cause equal change in both pore pressure and effective stress. जल्दीबाजी में गलत कर दोगे ये. Guys, sigma bar is sigma minus u. When sigma increases or decreases, u increases. So sigma bar is unchanged. It is saying that equal change in both pore water pressure and effective stress. Effective stress does not change at all. Okay, it should be equal change in both pore pressure and total stress. Then it would be correct. Capillary saturation will cause the effective stress to increase. Yes, because sigma bar is sigma minus u. In capillary region it is negative pore water pressure, so it will increase. So it is 1 and 3 only. 1 and 3 only. D option. Yes, Devanshu Yadav. Correct. Let us move to question number 7. What is the seepage velocity? It is the discharge velocity divided by n. N is equal to E upon 1 plus E. That is 1 upon 1 point, that is 1 upon 1.5, sorry 0.5 upon 1.5, that is 1 by 3. So here it is 18 into 10 to the power minus 7, that is A option. That is A option. Guys, come on, come on, come on everyone. Come on. A wooden bridge in Assam failed and have arched up in the middle after the earthquake. The right abutment settles by 10 and the abutment left at the abutment settles at 30. The bridge was supported on the wooden piles which floated up during the earthquake. The most probable cause of failure, guys, the piles are floated up, ऊपर आ गए, foundation comes above. Okay, that means effective stress is 0. And effective stress is 0 here due to earthquake, not due to upward seepage. So whenever effective stress is 0 due to the dynamic forces such as earthquake, it is called as liquefaction. It is called as liquefaction, guys. Guys, see, this is the case study we have done yesterday's class. The detailed case study we have done in this class. So again, guys, this is my app schedule, app free class. Again, this will I'll be coming at 5 p.m. Okay. This today will be some. This soil we have done yesterday. Now one real life problem, one question, one trick will be today. Okay, guys, let us move to the 19th question. The major principal stress was 180 and the minor principal stress was 100. The pore water pressure is 20. The tangent of angle of shearing is in sandy soil. This is tau. This is sigma. Now this is this. Okay. Minor principal stress was major was 180 and minus was 100. So since pore water pressure is given, we'll do in terms of effective stress. So 180 minus 20 is 160 and 100 minus 20 is 80. So what is the center? 160 plus 80, 240 by 2, that is 120. So in sand it will start from here. Okay, this tan phi is asking. Tan phi. Okay. Now this is the radius. What is radius? 40. What is radius? 40. So let me first of all find sin phi. Sin phi is perpendicular, that is 40, upon hypotenuse, that is 120. So sin phi is 1 by 3. Okay. So yes, Sarvandagi. Sin phi is 1 by 3. So this is what is perpendicular is 1, hypotenuse is 3. What is base? 9 minus 1, 8, root 8. So what it is tan phi? So tan phi will be 1 by root 8, but it is not mentioned. So it should be here, guys. Tangent of angle. It should be sine of angle. Okay, sine of angle will be 1 by 3. Okay. Let us move to the 20th question. Okay, kahan gaya? Laboratory weight shear test can be used to determine. Guys, see, triangle test is a lab test. Direct shear box test is a lab test. All these tests are done in the lab and they are suitable for only that kind of soil which are very insensitive. Means the property does not change when we take the sample from the field to the lab. That is why we are doing and taking the results to be accurate and same in the field. But in the soils which are very sensitive, the properties changes when we take them to lab. Therefore, in those soils, two cases are possible. Either take the undisturbed sample or do the test in the field. That is do the test in the field. That is vein shear test. This is for civil, Venkatesh. This for civil. Okay, so it is which soils are very shear parameters for which soil are very sensitive, clay soils. Now out of this, which is having more clay, guys, laboratory vein shear can also be used to determine. That is used for clay, but vein shear test is done for what? और क्या निकालने का काम आता है? और क्या निकालने का काम आता है? इसको होमवर्क करो, बहुत मजा आएगा तुम्हें, क्योंकि everybody says vein shear test is for C and phi, but vein shear test is determined by also determining one more property. Comment में बताना इसका आंसर. मैं रिप्लाई करूँगा, शाम तक ही रिप्लाई करूँगा। चलो आगे चलते हैं यहाँ से, लेट अस मूव फॉरवर्ड। इफ द कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ ए, दिस इज नॉर्थ, दिस इज ईस्ट, ए का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है 100 नॉर्थ एंड 200 ईस्ट। 100 सर्वे में पहले नॉर्थ कोऑर्डिनेट लिखते हैं because the bearings are taken from north. In surveying we take angle from north, bearing from north, that is why north coordinate first. In maths we take slopes from x-axis, therefore x coordinate first. In surveying this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is the fourth quadrant, because we take angle north clockwise, first reaching here, then here, then here, then here. In maths this is the first, this is the second, this is the third, this is fourth, because we are taking anti-clockwise angle there. Okay, so another is 200 south and 200 east. So this is 100 south and 200 east. So what is this distance? 100 north, 200 south, 200 distance. Even if there is some other value, we will be applying distance formula there. We will be applying distance formula there. Okay, now again moving forward. Chalo, 22. The position of active and passive earth pressure in the figure are. The position of active and passive earth pressure in the figure are. Active will be lesser value, passive will be bigger value, but from the K naught, Kp is much farther than Ka. K is closer, this is much farther. Okay, so 3 will not be there, it will be 4. So it is 1 and 4. Okay, you can take any 5 value, suppose 5 value 30. So what is K naught? 1 by 2. What is Ka? 1 by 3. What is Kp? 3. You can check now, the difference of Kp and K naught is much bigger than difference of K naught and Ka. Okay, so this will not be with the same difference, this is much larger. And also one more thing, larger means y coordinate, and I cannot justify the x coordinate difference in large I will say y coordinate, in smaller y coordinate is bigger. One more thing, that the active earth pressure develops in 0.2 to 0.5% movement of wall, that is why a smaller distance here, but passive is developed at 2 to 5%. Okay, it is developed at just 0.2% or 0.5% movement for loose and dense respectively. This is formed for 2 to 5% movement. Okay, therefore that has to be go larger in the x value. Okay, this is the reason for the y-axis. Now, no tension would be developed on the rectangular well foundation or at any horizontal section within the well. For no tension at the base, the resultant PA and W must pass through middle third portion. Okay, middle third of the base. You know that kern. Okay, in strength of material we study na, if a load pass between these two and this is B by 3, B by 6 and B by 6. Similarly, if it pass here, then no tension is occurred in middle third. B by 6 here, B by 6 here. So total is B by 3. So D by 6 here, D by 6 here. Total is D by 3. Okay. 24. In an old map, line PQ was drawn to a magnetic bearing of 6 degree 32 minute. Declination at that time was 1 degree east. So for 1 degree east, this is the bearing. So what is the true bearing? 7 degree 32 minutes. Because from 1 degree east, this is the answer. So for true bearing will be 7 degree 32 minute. The present declination is 9 degree 42 minute east. The magnetic bearing to which? Okay. So from true meridian, the line is 7 degree 32 minutes. This is 7 degree 32 minutes. Now what is happening? The present magnetic declination is 9 degree. So magnetic meridian now is 9 degree 42 minute east. So what is the magnetic bearing? So this is the excellent question, guys. Excellent question. This is 7 degree 32 minute, and now the magnetic bearing is 9 degree 42 minutes. This is much more, 9 degree 42 minutes. This is the magnetic bearing. So 9 degree 42 ये ना हाँ. So what is this angle? What is this angle? This angle is 2 degree 10 minutes. And angle, magnetic bearing is the angle from magnetic meridian in clockwise direction. So this is not clockwise is this. Clockwise is this. That is 360 minus 2 degree 10 minutes. That is 357 degree and 50 minutes. Got it? Everyone guys, give me yes or no. Give me yes or no guys. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. 25th of per CPM. The expected time is T0 plus 4 Tm plus Tp divided by 6. So what is the optimistic time? 4 plus 44 plus 12 divided by 6. 60 by 6 will be 10 days. 60 by 6 will be 10 days guys. Come on, let us move further. Let us move further. चलो इसका बताओ. इसका बताओ. If the bearing of AB is this and that of BC is this in a closed traverse, then the measure of angle, interior angle at B. So AB is 60 degree 30 minutes from magnetic meridian. This is 60 degree 30 minutes. Okay, and that BC is 122 degree. BC is 122 degree. Okay, then the measure of interior angle B is. मैग्नेटिक बेरिंग को साउथ में भी ले सकते हैं, मतलब होल सर्कल बेरिंग में तो नॉर्थ से ही नापेंगे. Okay, this is 60 degree 30 minute. What is this angle? These two should be 180 na. So this will be 119 degree 30 minutes. So this is the interior angle. What is this? This is 360 degree minus 119 degree 30 minutes plus 122 degree. So 360 degree 120 plus 120 240 242 241 241 degree 30 minutes. So what is this? What 360 minus 240 120. So 120 में से 1 degree 30 minutes और हटाओ 118 degree 30 minutes. C option. See how I calculated. See how I calculated without calculator. Okay. 27th. The readings are taken for the traverse from here in a closed traverse, the station not affected by local attraction. Not affected means difference will be 180. Here difference is 180. Difference is not 180. Difference is not 180. Difference is not 180. Difference is not 180. So A and B are correct. Okay. A and B are correct. B incorrect, and still BC is not 180. That means C is incorrect. A is correct. Still EA is incorrect. Therefore 100% E is incorrect. Okay. Now from here, it may be possible the answer B. I hope that this very deep concept is required here, guys. A, B difference is 180, others are differences not 180. So A and B are correct. Okay, but there is no option A and B. Now दिमाग लगाना है. Okay, A and B are correct, and still B is correct. Still BC is incorrect. Therefore 100% C is incorrect. A is correct. Still EA is incorrect. Therefore 100% E is incorrect. This may be possible that D is correct. The reason being because maybe due to C incorrect and due to D correct, the difference is not 180. Since E is incorrect 100%, might be D correct, therefore it is not 180. Give me yes or no in the comment section. Give me yes or no in the comment section. Everyone. Everyone, guys. Okay. Now moving further. The length of PQ is, the latitude is given 40 and 20. Departure is given minus 20 and this. So P का L cos theta is equal to 40 and L sin theta is equal to 20. So length of P. So LP squaring and adding. LP square cos square theta, LP square sin square theta is equal to 1. Okay, so LP square is equal to 40 square plus 20 square. Find LP here. Similarly, LQ, oh, LP cos theta is this, LP sin theta minus 20. Okay. Now similarly, LQ cos theta is equal to 20 and LQ sin theta is equal to 30. So LQ is equal to 20 square plus 30 square. I hope you got it. The length of PQ is, this is, sorry. See, here please see. This is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. P point has latitude 40 and departure minus 20. Here somewhere. 40 and minus 20, north and west. Q point has latitude 20 and departure 30. 20 and 30. Now apply the distance formula. And get PQ. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square under root. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square under root. Okay. The quadrantal bearings of A, B and this I have done many times in YouTube. Do this as homework. The interior angles of 4 triangles are given. Which of the following are ill? Guys, if all the angles are from 30 to 120, that is well conditioned triangle. If any one angle is not in the range, not in the 30 to 120, that is ill conditioned triangle. So here all are 30 to 120. This is not 30 to 120. Okay, these are all 30 to 120. This is also not in 30 to 120. So Q and S. Okay. 31. The shrinkage factor is this. The RF of original map is this. Then the RF of correct map is. So guys, anything earlier 25 now becomes 24. If the scale here is 1 by 2400, that means this original length is 25 into scale. Okay, this is the original length. Now what is the scale of this map? Shrunk length, that is 24, bar original length is same. In the distance between Delhi and Mumbai does not change if you take small map of India. So here the value is 1 by 2500. The scale 1 centimeter by 1 kilometer. 1 kilometer means this much meter and this much centimeter. Okay, A option. The main plate of this theodolite, that is circular, is divided into 1080 divisions. So this is divided into 1080 divisions. 60 divisions of 1 year, coincides with 59 divisions of main scale. The least count is, so least count is S by N. N is the divisions of 1 year. The divisions of 1 year that are matching with main, and S is the smallest value of main scale. So if 360 degree is divided into 1080 divisions, so S is the value of one angle, one division. S is the value of one division. So this angle will be 360 by 1080. Okay, in seconds if you want, multiply by 60 in minute and this. So this will be 20 seconds. Understood? The true bearing of AR is this. The declination is 6 degree west. Then what is the magnetic bearing? S 30 degree east means 150 degree. Okay. So from true meridian, the value is 150 degree. If the declination is 6 degree west, this is 6 degree west. So that is 156. So magnetic bearing is 156. Magnetic bearing is 156 means north, east, west, south. If this is 156, so this is 24. So S 24 east. 35. Diurnal variation is greater in summers than winters, greater in poles and equators than equators, greater in poles in equator, greater in daytime than due to comparing night. Okay. So then now some questions of allied. The time takes for a cycle of motion during an earthquake is called period. Guys, I'm again saying you that I will be available 34th ka A. I will be available today at 5. A क्यों यार? A क्यों यार? 156 है ना वो? 156 है तो 24 ही होगा. A क्यों होगा? Okay. Now, okay, the sudden shaking of a ground displacement that occurs before the arrival of seismic waves, that is foreshock. Guys, I'm again telling you that 9 p.m. I'll be coming with the complete ESE PYQs of 2021, 22, 23. 5 p.m. I'll be available on app with one trick, one problem of SOM, and 9 p.m. I'll be on YouTube. And at tomorrow, Wednesday, 7:30 p.m. will be the workshop. Which of the following factors not influence the intensity of ground shaking during earthquake? Time of day. Either it comes at 2 p.m., it comes at 3 p.m., it comes at 4 p.m., it will not be there. Okay, which of the following electromagnetic regions is commonly used in remote sensing? That is infrared ray. Remote sensing means without touching the object, you are getting the properties. Like in Corona time, scanner is there, thermal scanner. Without touching the person, they are getting the temperature. So that is, we send some rays, and from the rays that come back reflected, we assume or we find some properties. Which satellite center is widely used to monitor vegetation health and measure vegetation, such as NDVI, that is called as SPOT. Okay. Which remote sensing technique is used to measure the depth of ocean floor and identify water features? Sonar. You have studied this in school also. We sent some rays, then the rays came back, and from the rays that are coming back, we are finding the time, okay, or the distance by time into speed. Then guys, 42, which of the following is a passive remote sensing? LIDR. Active remote sensing means where we are sending our own waves to get the properties, and passive means where we are using sun's rays, sun as a source of traveling the waves. Which of the following satellite system provides high resolution optical imagery and is known for sub-meter spatial resolution? That is Landsat. Okay, I'm again telling you guys, there is no official syllabus of ISRO. There is no official syllabus of ISRO. Allied means the topics which are related to civil. This is the workshop I am talking of. This will be the workshop. This is limited seed workshop, guys, and first time this is happening, that not on strategies but on execution there is a workshop. Execution, how to execute the strategies. Okay. Which of the following is not a characteristics of sustainable urban development? Which of the following is not characteristic of sustainable? High speed dependence on private vehicles, guys. Okay, in most of the parts in the foreign country, then instead of private vehicles, the trams, the trains, they used more public vehicles so that the pollution is less. Okay. Okay, guys. Now, next and last question from my side, then Richa ma'am will be coming. What is the term gentrification, refers to the context of urban development. It is the displacement of lower income residents by their wealthier individuals or business. Okay, so guys, this will be tonight at 9 p.m. All of you guys, I'll be waiting you here, guys. Okay, this will be at 9 p.m. tonight on YouTube. This will be at 5 p.m. on app, where I'll be telling you a real life problem that why oil tanker shape is not exactly circular. One trick of strength of material of strain energy and one question. Okay. Now this is the workshop, guys, that will be on 23rd of August. That is tomorrow, and first time the seats are only limited, I guess 200 or something seats, and this you will be getting at 7:30 p.m. on app. So please do register. The first come first service, first come on the first service. This workshop registration will be there. We are not on strategies, but the execution part will be there. First time the workshop is coming on execution. Okay, now what happened to remote? Okay, this is the scholarship test, guys. This will be on 27th of August, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Anytime you can give this and get up to 90% discount on BYJU'S exam prep courses. Okay, UPSC mains result is out, guys. You can fill this form and get the free mock interview in BYJU'S exam prep Noida Center. My Telegram group is still by Abhinav sir, guys. More than 5,000 students have already joined. You can also join there. And this is our courses Vision Gate for 2025. If you want to enroll, you can give the scholarship test, or you can give the attend the workshop, so you can get the discounts. Okay, this is the ESE series of us. SOM is done, environment is done. Now soil mechanics will be today at 9 p.m. Okay, so thank you, guys. Now Richa ma'am will be joining in the session. In 2 minutes, ma'am will be joining. Okay, then she will be taking from question 45 to question number 95. Okay, she will be taking that. Any doubt, if anyone is having, they can ask me. Thank you, guys. See you tonight. Okay, I am again saying tonight here 9 p.m. Tonight 9 p.m. Soil mechanics complete PYQ in this channel only. Soil mechanics complete PYQ in this channel only, guys. Okay, guys. So thank you, ma'am. Will be joining now. Thank you all.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Am I audible, visible? Okay. So, guys, we'll continue further from the numbering Abhinav sir left. That is from the 46th number. So, guys, come on, join fast. Be quick, because we have to cover another 55 questions right now. Be quick, quick. Come on, quick. Okay. So guys, we'll start further with the upcoming questions. Good morning, Sagar. So we'll start with the further questions. And before that, if you are new, you don't know about me, you can go through my profile. Next, guys, as you know that ESE 2023 mains result has been out. So you can share your marks, your score with us, and you can get a free mock test interview with our expert panel. Next, you can download our BYJU'S exam prep app, in which we have classes going on daily basis, free of cost, conceptual classes, practice classes, generic classes, so you guys can attend it. Okay, then on this coming 23rd of August, we have a workshop. If you are planning for GATE 2024 or 25, what should be the tips for 100% execution of GATE preparation strategy? This workshop will be free of cost. And then we have a scholarship test on the coming Sunday. Flexibility of timing 9 a.m. in the morning to 9 p.m. in the evening. You can give the test anytime you want. Okay, and last, you can join my Telegram group for further upcoming classes. Fine. So now let's start. First, I will cover 15 questions of aptitude. Let me tell you well in advance. These questions of aptitude will contain diagrammatic reasoning, abstract reasoning, deductive reasoning, logical reasoning, okay, verbal reasoning, everything it will cover. Then we will move to allied topics as well as technical topics. So there is a mixture of allied topics and technical topics. Okay, so let's start the session. First question, guys. Come on. This figure belongs to which group? Does it belongs to group A or does it belongs to group B? Is the figure not visible? I will bow down my head so that you guys can see. Come on, guys. Be quick. This is the figure shaded. One is shaded like this and another is shaded like this. Excuse me. So this figure belongs to which group? Does it belongs to group A or it belongs to group B? Come on, guys. Be quick. A. Technically, you are wrong. Not just tell me. Embedded A, embedded in group B. No. First of all, it belongs to both the groups. Here the logic is these two are mirror images of each other. So if you check it out, here also you have mirror images when which will combine, it will form a square. If these two blocks combine, they form a square. So you have such mirror images in group B also. You have similar group mirror images in group A also. So what will be happening? It belongs to both the groups. This figure, this image belongs to both the groups because here two mirror images are there which is combined, so it will form a square. Okay, so it belongs to both group A and it belongs to group B also. Okay, so it was a tricky question. Now this one, 47th question, syllogism question. Come on, guys. All D, all D are E. Some E are F. This is being mentioned. So now the conclusion are all D are F. Is it? Can you see it here? No. Second, some F are E. Yes, you can see some F are E. There is a common intersection between them. So B is correct. All E are D. No. All D are E. Jitne D hai sab E hai, but all E are not D. So this is wrong. So what will happen? Only conclusion 2 follows. Got it? Only conclusion 2 follows. Now, coming next. So this was syllogism question. Now coming up next, this one. Which group does the figure belong to? Exact nahi hoga. You have to see what it is trying to say. Come on, guys. I have to bow down my head or what? I have to bow down my head, or shall I move this side? This side. Come on, guys. Tell me. Which group does the figure belong to? Which group? Come on, come on. Think fast. Hello, Akash. Fine. It belongs to group A. Logic. अगर अगर एक व्हाइट सिंबल है तो उसका करस्पॉन्डिंग व्हाइट सिंबल बॉक्स के बाहर भी है. अगर एक शेडेड सिंबल है तो उसके दो अनशेडेड बाहर भी है. चेक इट आउट. हियर आल्सो सेम थिंग. इफ वन इज शेडेड, two unshaded is there. If one is shaded, two unshaded is there out. If one is unshaded, one is unshaded at the out. Okay, so go with this logic. Got it? तो यहाँ पर एग्जैक्टली मीनिंग ये नहीं है कि एग्जैक्टली सेम थिंग यू विल बी गेटिंग. द सेम कंसेप्ट, द सेम मैनर you should be getting, same pattern you should be getting. So the one is, if one unshaded is there inside, one unshaded will be there outside. If one shaded is there inside, two unshaded will be there outside. So this was the logic. Okay. Now 49th question. Ma'am, can I give the exam of ISRO because my BTech is from computer engineering science? No, no, no. If it is from computer science, how can you give? Because they require the degree of civil engineering. Okay. Now again, a syllogism question. All girls are smart. So all girls are smart, which is very, very true. I agree. All girls are smart. All smart are intelligent. Ah, all smart are intelligent. Okay. So all girls are intelligent. Yes, intelligent is a big round and in that girls is a small part. So all girls are intelligent. Correct. Some girls are not intelligent. This is nothing, nowhere it is mentioned. So this statement will not be true because nowhere from this diagram we can mention it. So all girls are intelligent is true. So only conclusion one follows, that is D. Correct. Okay. Now, question number 50. Which shape comes in the next sequence? Now, study the sequence and tell me which shape will be coming in the next sequence. Come on, guys. Quickly, quickly. I'll give you a hint. Count the number of shaded and blocks, circles, and count the number of unshaded. You will get the answer. See, in first one, the shaded one is 5 and the unshaded one is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one, the shaded one is 7 and this one is 5. Okay, last one, the shaded one is 7 and and the unshaded one is 5. So what is like alternatively they are changing shaded and unshaded. So next one, what should be there? The shaded should be 5, the unshaded should be 7. So which will be the answer for this one? E. Shaded should be 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and unshaded should be 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So E will be the correct answer. Got it? Such type of questions, if it comes of shading and all, just check it out the numbers, because maximum times, sometimes it's odd even, sometimes it's odd odd, or so even even. So they just do this manner only. Okay. So 51. Now this is a good question. Which diagram replaces the question mark? Chalo. This is a good question, guys. This time I have kept a level questions. Now you, because we are practicing from such a quite a long time, so I want you that this time you should basically have a slightly tougher questions. Come on. Which diagram replaces the question mark? See, this was there. This symbol means each symbol moves one place to the right. So if each symbol is moving one place to the right, what will happen? Each symbol is moving one place to the right. What will happen? L will come first. Right में चला गया ना. Then circle will come. And then this portion will come. Shaded. Okay. After this, you have this symbol. Reflects all symbol in x-axis. Take it all the symbols in x-axis. So if this will go in the x-axis, what will become? If this will go in the x-axis, it will become like this. Circle will remain same. And this will be remain same. So what will be the answer? What will be the answer? Circle reflects. Only this shaded portion will go here. What will be the answer? Come on, guys. First, it told you that each symbol should move one place to the right. So the one which was here, it will move. It will move in the first. Circle will move to the second, and this arrow will move to the third. Then next, it gave you that reflects all the symbol in x-axis. Take it to the x-axis. So this L will reflect on x-axis like this. Okay, circle which was shaded here will reflect on x-axis on the top, and this will remain as it is. So B will be the correct answer. Got it? Check it out. This one. Which diagram replaces the question mark? So they have given you a diagram first of all, and this is the symbol which is given to you. What is the meaning of this symbol? You have to change the shading. So agar koi unshaded hai, you have to make it shaded. If something is shaded, you have to make it unshaded. Firstly, but do it only on full size symbol. That means if any small size symbol is there, you can't do shading or unshading on that. You have to do it only on full size symbol. Okay? See as per water image. Previous one. See as per water image. नहीं, water तो ऊपर ही तो जाएगा ना ये भी तो. If this is there, if you check it out, तो अगर ये portion है, this portion is there, so when you take it on the x-axis, this will go on the top ना. This will go on the top. So B आएगा answer. सागर. नहीं, ये सेंटर सर्कल का मतलब है रिफ्लेक्ट ऑल द सिंबल्स इन एक्स एक्सिस. इसका मतलब था whatever symbols are there, you have to take it on x axis. This was the meaning of it. इसका मतलब कुछ और नहीं था. Okay. Now this one. 52 questions. So what you have to do? Circle is not a full size symbol, so it will remain as it is. This is a full size symbol square. Since it is shaded, now it will become unshaded. Triangle is a full size symbol. Since it is unshaded, it will become shaded. So the one which I will get is triangle, this, C. Shaded will be up. Shaded will not be down, shaded will be up. Okay. So this is C. For this question, it is C. Okay. Now, this question. Now again a good question. Come on guys. Here you have to crack what it is trying to say. Again a good question. Definitely. Just check it out. A, B, Z, KLM, KL. A circle is there and a square is there and the output is B. What do it mean? It means this circle omits the last alphabet. See, when KLM passes through the circle, M goes. Okay. Similarly, when ABZ will pass through the circle, AB will be there. And from AB also, B will go. What is the logic? AZ. नहीं, you have to give answer for this one. मुझे side होना पड़ेगा. Fine. You have to give answer for this one, Veera Babu. FKLB is there. So what will be the output? You have to give answer for this one. C. Circle removes last letter. Excuse me. Square. इसीलिए तो रखा है because I have made you solve so many aptitude questions कि आज I thought that today I have to raise the bar. Removes first letter. Just check it out guys. KLM में से last when it passes through the circle M चला जाता है, M हट जाता है, KL बचता है. ABZ जब सर्कल से पास करेगा तो AB बचेगा. AB जब स्क्वायर से पास करेगा तो फर्स्ट लेटर हट जाएगा और सिर्फ B बचेगा. ठीक है, तो हमें इससे समझ में आया दैट सर्कल रिमूव करता है लास्ट लेटर को, स्क्वायर रिमूव्स फर्स्ट लेटर. नाउ चेक इट आउट. FKLB जब पास करेगा, फर्स्ट इज passes through square. So square does what? It removes first letter. So it will be KLB. KLB again passes through again a square. Square will again remove the first letter. तो अब क्या बचेगा? LB. So LB will be the answer. So such type of questions can also be asked. Got it? Sure. Move next. Now this is the last tough questions. Then you won't get many tough questions. Now see this. This is a good question. Damn good question. Come on. Here you have three symbols: rhombus, heart shape and star. So now how will you solve it? How will you solve it? See, if rhombus is there, it moves all characters, it moves all the characters one position to the left. Check it out. LAT1 moves all characters to the left. How come you know that, ma'am? From the diagram. All characters to the left. Then heart shape is there. What is heart shape doing? What is heart shape doing? Swapping the last character and the second character. So swapping last character and second character. Then star is there. What is star doing? What is star doing? फर्स्ट कैरेक्टर और लास्ट कैरेक्टर को एल से रिप्लेस कर रहा है. यू कैन चेक इट आउट. थैंक यू सहज. रिप्लेस फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट कैरेक्टर विथ एल. Okay, how come you know? From this. Now use the diagram to find out the missing output. Now check it out. FEMT1 पहले दिया है. It is given to you a rhombus. So rhombus क्या करेगा? Move all characters to the left. So what will be the answer? EMT और यहाँ पे था ना, फर्स्ट इधर चला जाएगा. FEMT1. Just a minute. इधर आ रहा है ना, so this will move here. EMTF. Is it correct? Is it correct? अभी गलत है ये. एक चीज मिसिंग हो गई है. एक चीज मिसिंग है. You have to move everything to the left. तो T1. So EMT1F. You have moved everything to the left. Left side में move कर दिया. Now you will have a triangle. Rhombus हो गया. Rhombus के बाद you have a star. So replace first and last letter with L. LMT1L. ये हो जाएगा. क्या किया? I'm just telling you again. If you check it out, one LAT था. When it passed through the rhombus, what happened? Every alphabet shifted to the left. Z3PAL. और जब ये पास किया एक हार्ट से, तो क्या हुआ? जो सेकेंड पोजीशन पे और लास्ट पोजीशन पे जो कैरेक्टर्स थे वो स्वैप हो गए, इंटरचेंज हो गए. ठीक है. अब जब ये FEM8 पास कर रहा है, ठीक है, यहाँ पर आता है जब ये स्टार में, तो क्या होता है? फर्स्ट और लास्ट लेटर्स जो होते हैं ये आपके L बन जाते हैं. तो यही यहाँ पर ये बता रहा है. देखो FEM8 पहले अगर मैं इसको पास कर रही हूँ किससे? मैं अगर इसको पास कर रही हूँ रोम्बस से, तो क्या बनेगा? EM8F. EM8F को जब मैं पास कर रही हूँ किससे? हार्ट से. सो हार्ट से जब मैंने पास किया तो सेकेंड लेटर और लास्ट लेटर इंटरचेंज हो जाएगा 8M. और जब मैंने इसको पास किया स्टार से, तो क्या हुआ? या E की जगह भी L आ गया, M की जगह भी L आ गया. इसका मतलब क्या है? उसने फर्स्ट और लास्ट लेटर को L से रिप्लेस कर दिया. गॉट इट? हाँ, लास्ट वाला फर्स्ट किया है. करेक्ट. तो जब ये पास किया FEMT1, when it has passed through rhombus, जब ये rhombus से पास किया सब कैरेक्टर्स लेफ्ट की तरफ शिफ्ट हो गए. EMT1F. फिर जब ये स्टार से पास किया तो पहला और आखिरी वाला जो है वो कैरेक्टर्स में E और F की जगह L आ गया, तो LMT1L. गॉट इट? क्या डाउट है सागर? क्या डाउट है? ये जो फर्स्ट था ये लास्ट चला गया, तो यहां पर भी जो फर्स्ट था वो लास्ट चला गया. हाँ, F जो था वो लास्ट में चला गया. करेक्ट. आप इधर देखो ना, जो 1 था 1 LAT, जब ये रोम्बस से पास किया तो ये जो 1 था ये लास्ट चला गया. तो जब FEMT1 पास करेगा तो जो F है वो लास्ट में चला गया. देखो यहां पर भी चेक कर लो. FEM8 जब ये रोम्बस से पास किया तो जो फर्स्ट था वो लास्ट चला गया. गॉट इट? नहीं 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 नहीं, वो कैसे हो जाएगा? जो फर्स्ट है वो लास्ट चला जाएगा और जो सेकंड है वो फर्स्ट बन जाएगा. चेक इट आउट. 1 LAT था तो 1 लास्ट में चला गया. FEMT1 है तो जो F है वो लास्ट में चला गया. गॉट इट गाइस? अंडरस्टूड? This is a tough question. Literally, those who have habit of solving aptitude can do that. Clear हुआ सागर? Is it clear? Okay. Now, let's move to the next one. So guys, they have given you 4 statements. You have to check it out. Is there any error in the sentence? So this is a question from verbal reasoning. So we discussed about the problem so thoroughly on the eve of the examination that I found it very easy to work it out. Come on guys. What will be the answer? What will be the answer? You have to check it out. In out of this 4 part, is there error in anything? अरे सागर, ये रोम्बस का मतलब था जो पहला अल्फाबेट है या पहला कैरेक्टर है वो लास्ट हो जाएगा. तो FEMT1 में पहला कैरेक्टर क्या है? F है. तो जो F है वो लास्ट हो जाएगा. लास्ट हो जाएगा मतलब EMT1F हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाट इट मेंट. आप यहाँ भी चेक कर लो. FEM8 जो भी पहला कैरेक्टर है, चाहे नंबर हो चाहे अल्फाबेट हो, वो लास्ट हो जाएगा. वही तो किया मैंने बस. और फिर स्टार का मतलब होता है कि जो भी आपका पहला और आखिरी है उसको L से रिप्लेस कर दो. तो E और F को मैंने क्या किया? L से रिप्लेस कर दिया. गॉट इट? जो भी इसका मतलब था रोम्बस का, जो भी कैरेक्टर पहला है उसको आखिरी में कर दो. दैट वाज द मीनिंग ऑफ इट. गॉट इट? चलो. नाउ वी डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द प्रॉब्लम सो थॉरोली. ये पहला स्टेटमेंट ही गलत है. We discussed about the problem. It is not there. We discussed the problem. Okay. So this what is mentioned is wrong. We discussed the problem about the problem. ऐसा नहीं होता. So A is the wrong one. Okay. Now coming to the next one. So proverbs, idioms are given. You have to check it out. What does that proverb or what does that idiom is trying to say? Sure. This one. To keep one's temper. हाँ, अबाउट इज अननेसेसरी. करेक्ट. टू कीप वंस टेम्पर मतलब अपना गुस्सा रखा है, मतलब दिखाया नहीं है. सो यू हैव जस्ट कीप योर टेम्पर, कीप वंस टेम्पर. व्हाट डज इट्स ट्राइंग टू से? टू कीप वंस टेम्पर. व्हाट इज इट ट्राइंग टू से? व्हाट इट इज ट्राइंग टू से? अपना गुस्सा दिखाया नहीं है, उसको रखा हुआ है. व्हाट डज यू मीन बाय दिस? What does you mean by this? To keep one's temper. It means अपना टेम्पर, अपना गुस्सा बचा के रखा. दैट मीन्स यू आर प्रिजर्विंग योर एनर्जी. यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्टे काम. सो दैट मीन्स यू आर प्रिजर्विंग योर एनर्जी. टू प्रिजर्व वंस एनर्जी. This is the meaning of it. Okay. Next question. You have to mark the correctly spelled word. That means which of the following out of this has a correct spelling. Okay. Correct spelling. Efficient, treatment, betterment, employed. See, treatment they have done. A is useless. They have kept it. Betterment, there should be one T. Employed, YED. So the only one spelling which is correct is A. That is efficient. हाँ, सी होगा. देखो, टू कीप वंस टेम्पर मतलब आपने अपना टेम्पर अपने पास रखा. यू आर ट्राइंग टू स्टे काम. सो व्हाट यू आर डूइंग इट? यू आर प्रिजर्विंग योर एनर्जी. आप अगर गुस्सा कर रहे हो तो आप अपनी क्या कर रहे हो? एनर्जी लूज कर रहे हो ना. सो यू आर जस्ट स्टेइंग काम. यू आर प्रिजर्विंग योर एनर्जी. शांत. ओके, दैट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ टू कीप वंस टेम्पर. गॉट इट? फाइन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Here you have been given 4 options. You have to check it out that which of the following preposition will complete the word. Now, fate smiles those who unfairly grab with stark realities of life. What do you mean by it? फेट, किस्मत हंसती है, फेट मतलब लक, किस्मत. सो फेट स्माइल्स ऑन दोज, उनके ऊपर, विथ मतलब साथ, ओके, ऑन मतलब फेट स्माइल करती है ऑन दोज, उनके ऊपर, जो अनटायरली ग्रैपल विथ स्टार्क रियलिटीज ऑफ लाइफ, हु फेस द स्टार्क रियलिटीज ऑफ लाइफ. सो ऑन, उनके ऊपर, सो दैट इज ऑन. ओके, नेक्स्ट, miser, miser मतलब कंजूस. ओके, so the miser gazed at the pile of gold coins in front of him. ओके, ओवर नहीं होगा, मतलब आई एम ओवर इट, वो हो चुका है, मैं इससे खत्म हो गया. ओवर हो गया ना, ओवर थोड़ी ना, वो फेट स्माइल्स ऑन, ओवर मतलब खत्म, गया. ठीक है, तो ओवर नहीं होगा, यहाँ पे ऑन होगा. ठीक है, अबव बोलते हो ऊपर को, ऑन बोलते हो, ओवर तो खत्म ना, लाइक ब्रेक इज ओवर, खत्म. ओके, सो जस्ट चेक इट आउट द मीनिंग. जैसे वेन एवर यू आर स्टक ना, उससे रिलेटेड मेक अ वर्ड्स, लाइक मैंने अभी ओवर का बना दिया, सो पिक्चर्स बिकम्स मोर क्लियर. गॉट इट? नाउ दिस वन. The miser gazed at the pile of gold coins in front of him. जो कंजूस है उसने देखा गोल्ड कॉइन्स उसके सामने रखे थे. हाउ डज इट लुक? Avidly. Avidly का मतलब क्या होता है? I'll tell you again, it will increase your vocabulary today. With great interest या enthusiastically. That is the meaning of avidly. Enthusiastically. Got it? Now, next. So you have been given an incomplete statement and a filler is given. You have to mark the correct statement. Come on. Despite his efforts to conceal his anger, dash. मतलब वो छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहा था अपना गुस्सा. ये उसके एफर्ट्स थे कि वो अपना गुस्सा छुपाने की कोशिश कर रहा था. डैश. Despite his best efforts to conceal his anger, people came to know that he was annoyed. That means people know that दिख रहा है भाई उसका मूड खराब है, उसको ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, और ना है, गुस्सा है, जो भी है. So people came, because ये वर्ड लिखा है despite, कि भाई वो कोशिश किया, but then also लोगों को पता चल गया. ठीक है, so this word despite से पता चल रहा है कि भाई उसने छुपाने की कोशिश की, but still लोगों को पता चल गया. Okay, 61. She never visits any zoo because she is a strong opponent of the idea of. देखो, अब कोई अगर zoo नहीं जा रहा है तो वो क्या है, उसको शायद एनिमल से प्यार है, उसको ये लग रहा होगा कि यार जो जानवर होते हैं वो बोल नहीं सकते, तो उनको हम अपनी प्लेजर के लिए, अपने जॉय के लिए, अपने एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए उनको आप बांध करके रखते हो. तो यही हो सकता है एक स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडीशंस. ठीक है, मन नहीं कर रहा, मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है पहनने जाने के, दैट इज नॉट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोनेंट. ओके, तो आपको जब भी बात करते हो आपको एक स्ट्रॉन्ग रीजन देना पड़ेगा. सो शी नेवर विजिट्स एनी जू. शी इज स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपोनेंट ऑफ द आइडिया ऑफ होल्डिंग द एनिमल्स इन द कैप्टिविटी फॉर अ जॉय. ओके, ये रीजन है कि वो नहीं देख सकती कि यार जानवरों को आपने बांध करके रखा है जस्ट बिकॉज लोग आके उनको देखे और उनको खुशी मिले. सो दैट इज नॉट द आइडिया. सो बहुत लोग इसको अपोज करते हैं, दे डोंट लाइक दिस कंसेप्ट ऑफ जू. सो या, दैट्स इट. ठीक है, चलो. So guys, with this we have completed the aptitude portions. Today I have kept a very good questions of aptitude that will blow your mind, because definitely अब थोड़ा सा बार को रेस करना है. It's not always easy or moderate questions. You should face difficult questions. Generally difficult questions को देख के आप भाग जाते हो, और जो आज हुआ भी तो होता है. आई नो द क्वेश्चंस नहीं बनते, यू गाइज टेंड टू फील कि यार नहीं हो पाएगा, बट यार यू हैव टू फेस द डार्क रियलिटी दैट अगर ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो कोई फ्री में नंबर नहीं बांटे जाएंगे. यू हैव टू अप्लाई द कंसेप्ट्स. ओके, तो अगर वो आपकी मर्जी है, टफ क्वेश्चंस देख के भागना है, वो आपका कॉल है, उसमें तो मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. बट यार मुझे पता था आज मैं जानबूझ के मैंने टफ रखे ही थे, सो दैट आई नो दैट हु विल बी द वन हु विल बी डूइंग इट. चलो, स्टार्ट विद द टेक्निकल पार्ट. A rainfall with intensity greater than 4 mm per hour but less than 6.5 mm per hour is referred as. Come on guys. Moderate rain. Questions were very good and tricky. That was the main idea na today, to keep it. 4 to 6.5 mm per hour, it will be a moderate rainfall. So, 0, or you call it trace, to 2.5, it is light. And if it is greater than 7.5, it is heavy. Since it is in medium range, or 2.5 to 7.5, it falls. So, it will be a moderate rainfall. Now, this one. The percentage of fresh water available in India. Asking in terms of percentage, okay? The percentage of fresh water available in India compared to world. What will be the percentage, guys? What will be the percentage of fresh water available in India compared to world? It is 4%. 4% of the fresh water is available in India. Correct? Now, next. The standard height of standard rain gauge. Question asked in many of the examinations. Either they ask you diameter or they ask you the height. What will be the answer? Standard height of standard rain gauge. 30 centimeter. If dia was there in Simon's rain gauge, so it is 12.7 centimeter. It has also been asked, इसलिए बता दे रही हूँ so that you remember it. But the height of standard rain gauge is 30 centimeter. Okay? Fine. Thank you, Venugopal sir. And a very good evening too. Chalo. So now talking about the 65th question. The commonly used rain gauges. See, weighing bucket type, float type, tipping bucket type. All these three are what? All these three are what? They are recording rain gauges. So out of this recording rain gauge, which is the rain gauge which is used on prominent basis? So float type rain gauge, or the other name is natural siphon type rain gauge, is used on common basis. So B will be the correct answer. Okay, next. Dash plays an important role in completion of the hydrological cycle. See, we know that sun is the driving force in the hydrological cycle. But you know that from oceans, evaporation will take place, then it will form clouds. Coriolis force is necessary because the impact of wind will take the clouds with it, and then precipitation will happen on the land also. So Coriolis force is also important. It is an important component for the hydrological cycle to complete. Okay. So here A will be the correct one. Natural siphon type. Correct. 67. The peak factor suggested by CPHEEO for computing the Sievers design population more than 2 lakhs. Population more than 2 lakhs. This is a patent question again asked in many examinations. Three, 2.52. Since it is asking more than 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs है कि 20,000 2 3 4 इसको 2 lakhs कर दो. अभी तो ये 20,000 बोल रहा है. चलो छोड़ो, 20,000 बोल रहा है तो 3 कर दो. 20,000 if it is written है, 2 4 ही 0 है भाई. 1 2 3 4. हाइड्रोलॉजी की वजह से मैंने भी सोचा यार 5 तो नहीं है, मेरी चश्मे का नंबर तो ठीक है. 4 zeros आते हैं. So 4 zeros is 50,000 से कम है. If 50,000 से कम है, so P factor will be 3. So D will be the answer. 20,000 था, 2 lakhs नहीं था. 20,000 था. So peak factor will be 3. वो देखो, आंखों का धोखा मार्क्स गवा देगा. Got it? Okay. Now 68. If the average daily demand of a city of 50,000 population is 20 MLD, then the maximum daily demand. Now in this question, people will do what? Data insufficient, because they will search that LPCD, average per capita demand, is not given. It is not required also. Why? Because maximum daily demand is 1.8 times average daily demand. So 1.8 into 20. 36. 30 कैसे होगा? 36 होगा ना? 1.8 into 20. Maximum daily demand is 1.8 times average daily demand. Correct, Sagar. Good. Now 69. Now this question I want answer from you guys. You have to apply your brain. First of all, you have to apply your brain. Check it out. Which of the crops are kharif crops? Which of the crops are rabi crops? Very good, very good. First of all, we never decide the capacity for average demand. We decided for core demand. Core demand, we know that rabi crops require less water and kharif crops require more water. Okay, how much? If you talk about rice, it requires 90 to 120 centimeter of water, while wheat requires 40 to 50 centimeter of water. So the demand of whose is more, we design the canal for that only. So core demand of rabi crops is wrong. Core demand of kharif crops. Correct? So this is based on common sense. Now, Filmaria disease is due to, again, a new name for the disease for you guys. Filmaria disease is caused by, see, you know, from virus you get polio, okay, and jaundice. From protozoa you get amoebic dysentery. Filmaria disease is due to Ella bacteria, ELLA. So it is caused due to bacteria. A new name for you guys. Okay, so that is caused due to bacteria. Now, next question. Excessive fluoride concentration in drinking water caused problems related with. So if excess, see, apart from 1.5 mg per liter, if it is present more than that, let us suppose it is present 5 mg per liter. So what will happen? Bone fluorosis, the deformation of bones will happen. Instead of calcium, fluoride will deposit. Okay, so this will lead to deformation of bones, that is bones and joint stiffness. Okay, now 72. Bacteria which uses carbon dioxide as a source of carbon. As a source of carbon dioxide is a source of carbon. Carbon is basically source of energy. This I want the answer. डेंटल फ्लोरोसिस वो बोल रहा है एक्सेसिव बोल रहा है सागर रीड द लाइंस हाँ बीच का ना आपका कंसेप्ट क्लियर है बट आप बीच की लाइंस छोड़ देते हो एक्सेसिव बोल रहा है मींस 1.5 तो कॉस्ट फॉर रिजेक्शन लिमिट था उससे भी ज्यादा तो यू नो ना अप टू 5 mg पर लीटर उससे ज्यादा हो जाता 5 mg पर लीटर तो बोन फ्लोरोसिस हो जाती है उसकी बात कर ठीक है डीकलराइजेशन मॉटलिंग ऑफ टीथ वो तो 1.5 से नीचे की बात 1.5 से ऊपर की बात है Come on guys. बैक्टीरिया विच यूजेस कार्बन आपने कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को देखा होगा ऐसे फॉर्म होता है ये ठीक है बचपन में केमिस्ट्री में पढ़ा होगा तो इस कार्बन को कौन यूटिलाइज करता है ऑटोट्रॉप्स ना एरोबिक यूटिलाइजेस कार्बन ठीक है बट वो ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन लेता है पहली बात ठीक है और एरोबिक माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स होता है जो ऑक्सीजन के प्रेजेंस में फंक्शन करता है तो उसका यहाँ पे तो कोई रिलेशन नहीं हेटेरोट्रॉप बोल दो तो भी समझ में आता है कि हेटेरोट्रॉप ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन लेता है ऑटोट्रॉप्स देखो हमेशा याद रखना हेटेरोट्रॉप्स टेक्स ऑर्गेनिक कार्बन ऑटोट्रॉप्स टेक्स इनऑर्गेनिक कार्बन को निकालने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता है इट रिक्वायर्स मोर अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी ओके जितने में हेटेरोट्रॉप्स अपना काम करके भी निकल जाता है So bacteria which uses carbon dioxide as a source of carbon are autotrophs. क्योंकि कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में जो कार्बन होता है वो इनऑर्गेनिक कार्बन होता है इनऑर्गेनिक कार्बन इज यूज्ड बाय ऑटोट्रॉप्स गॉट इट ये नया क्वेश्चन है ध्यान रखना इसको नाउ दिस क्वेश्चन 73 which of the following treatment reduces salinity of water salts concentration को कम करता है alum coagulation flocculation, settling, carbon filtration, reverse osmosis, electrodialysis. Basically, desalination आप बोल सकते हो reduce कर रहा और it removes. So who does that? Very good. It is C. Reverse osmosis when you pass it through a semi-permeable membrane or electrodialysis is used for the treatment of salinity of water. Now, the settling velocity of a particle in a sedimentation tank is increased. When does it increases? When particle size increases, it increases. But in the question, it is telling particle size is decreased. Surface area is increased? No. Depth of tank is decreased? No. कोई option नहीं है इसका. None of the above. None of the above. B कहाँ से हो जाएगा यार? B कहाँ से हो जाएगा? सरफेस एरिया की बात आप करते हो जब आप ओवरफ्लो रेट की बात करते हो, Q अपॉन BL. दिस इज फॉर द सरफेस ओवरफ्लो रेट. यहाँ पे तो ये तो वेलोसिटी ऑफ डिजाइन साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल, कंसर्न साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल. राइट नाउ इट इज आस्किंग द सेटलिंग वेलोसिटी ऑफ एनी साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल. ओके. और मोर ओवर यहाँ पर भी अगर सरफेस एरिया बढ़ेगा तो वेलोसिटी आपकी कम ही होगी. ठीक है, तो भी इनवर्स रिलेशनशिप ही है. तो गाइस चेक कर लिया करो पहले. बी नहीं होगा. बी कैसे हो गया बताओ? सरफेस एरिया ऑफ द टैंक इज इंक्रीज. चेक इट आउट. वी नॉट इज इक्वल टू क्यू अपॉन बी एल है. ठीक है, अगर आप वेलोसिटी ऑफ द कंसर्न साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल की बात कर रहे हो, लेट अस सपोज, ठीक है, जो कंसर्न साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल, लेट अस सपोज 6 mm साइज ऑफ पार्टिकल यू हैव डिजाइन, उसी के लिए बात कर रहे हो. तो वी नॉट क्या होता है? क्यू बाय बी एल, दैट इज सरफेस एरिया. इफ सरफेस एरिया इज इंक्रीज्ड, वेलोसिटी तो डिक्रीज करेगा ना. Velocity will decrease. Now, this is a good question. 75. Options इधर पे दिए. I have told this question in yesterday's ESE class also. Nitrification time, you have two types of bacteria, Nitrosomonas and Nitrobacter. What does they do? When you talk about Nitrosomonas, they convert what? They convert what? NH3 को NO2 में कन्वर्ट करते हैं. कौन? नाइट्रोसोमनास. नाइट्रोबैक्टर जो NO2 बन जाता है, that nitrite which is formed, it converts it into nitrate. Remember, they can ask you in match the following form, they can ask you in MSQ form, so you should know this. So nitrobacter converts NO2 to NO3. So this is 2, 3. C. Aerobic heterotrophs and phototrophs. Aerobic heterotrophs, इसको you use it in activated sludge process. Again a question, if they ask you that which type of microorganisms are used in activated sludge process, aerobic heterotrophs. So this will be C, will be 2. Phototrophs, if you talk it about, they do what? Photo means light, so obviously they use energy from sunlight. So C4. 1, 3, 2, 4. 1, 3, 2, 4. यही तो आया ना. 1, 3, 2, 4. D option. Come on. The most important factor considered in the design of summit curve on highways. Summit curve on highways. कौन सा factor which is considered on summit curve? Very good, hydrology. Side distance. Side distance consider किया जाता है in the design of highways. Now this one. Easy question. The relationship between modulus of rupture and characteristics compressive strength is? Come on. How much it will be? 0.7 root FCK. Okay. 78. What will be, this is common sense question. What will be the minimum yield strength of Fe500 steel used as reinforcement in concrete? Minimum कितनी होगी? Minimum it will be obviously 500 MPa. उससे ज्यादा ही देगा, but minimum it has to give 500 MPa, right? Common sense. Minimum तो 500 उसको देना ही पड़ेगा. Okay. 79. A fish ladder. Now this is the from canal regulation works. A fish ladder is usually provided in a hydropower or canal system. You provide it in weirs, you provide it in barrages. Why do you provide this fish ladder? Because when they move from upstream to downstream, they don't have any issue. But when they have to move from downstream to upstream, they are not able to do so. That's why we install this fish ladder, so that they can move freely in the river. So enable the fish to move freely in the river. Correct. 80. Which of the following statement is correct? Come on guys, now this you answer it. Steel factor of safety is 1.15, concrete it is 1.5. So factor of safety for steel is lower than that of concrete. Cool. 81. Intermediate vertical stiffeners are provided in plate girders. So why do you provide this stiffeners? Vertical stiffeners. See, horizontal stiffener has another work, vertical stiffeners has other work. So why do you provide? चाहे कुछ भी हो, फिर दोनों ही केस में सागर कंक्रीट विल हैव मोर फैक्टर ऑफ सेफ्टी ना. क्या लिखा है? ए eliminate web aptitude. What does horizontal stiffeners do, guys? Veera Babu, hydrology, everybody. What does horizontal stiffeners do? They prevent buckling due to bending compression. So if they ask you for horizontal stiffeners, they prevent buckling due to bending compression. Okay, 82nd. Limiting deflection for steel becomes for supporting floor and false ceiling should be. कितना डिफ्लेक्शन होना चाहिए फ्लोर फॉल सीलिंग्स वगैरह के लिए? हाउ मच? हाँ, स्पैन बाय 500 और स्पैन बाय, सी आरसीसी स्ट्रक्चर इट इज स्पैन बाय 250, स्पैन बाय 325 होगा ना, बाकी चीजें मेंशन नहीं है, सिर्फ सपोर्टिंग फ्लोर एंड फॉल सीलिंग इट इज मेंशन. करेक्ट सागर, वेरी गुड. इट इज स्पैन बाय 325. तो ए पहले ए कौन बोल रहा था या बी? स्पैन बाय 325. आरसीसी स्ट्रक्चर स्पैन बाय 250, बट इट्स नॉट मेंशन एनीवेयर हियर. नाउ the junction between flange and web of an I section. ये जंक्शन को क्या बोलते हो? इस जंक्शन को फिलेट जॉइंट बोलते हैं कि शेयर जॉइंट बोलते हैं? You call it as fillet joint or shear joint? Flange or web of an I section, the junction, do you call it as fillet joint or shear joint? लैप और बट तो नहीं है, फिलेट और शेयर. फिलेट बताओ मुझे सोच के. पक्का फिलेट है कि शेयर है सागर? हाइड्रोलॉजी जी सोच के बताओ, मैं लास्ट में बताऊंगी. सिंपल चीजों में मिस्टेक करते हो. फिलेट है पक्का? पक्का? चलो एक बार और सोच लो. Effective movement of inertia for short-term deflection of a reinforced concrete section does not depend upon. Short-term deflection के केस में reinforced concrete section किस पे depend नहीं करता है? It does not depend on. Short-term, this word will give you the answer. Short-term deflection. It does not depend upon. Shrinkage strain पे क्यों डिपेंड करेगा यार? We are talking about short term, so it doesn't depend upon the shrinkage strain of concrete. Correct. Now, the cover of longitudinal reinforcing bar in a beam subjected to sea spray should not be less than. किससे कम नहीं होना चाहिए? Come on guys. Very good. 70 mm से कम, जनरली 60 मिनिमम मान के चलते हैं, बट जनरली 70 mm से कम नहीं होना चाहिए. So it should not be less than 70. Okay. 86th question. So here the equation is given to you. Now you have to tell which is the correct equation. 70 mm mark कर दिया मैंने. E plus mu is equal to V square upon 127R. So A is the correct option. Good. 87th question. During water purification, which of the following reduces net electrical repulsive forces by adding chemicals? Addition of chemicals is known as dash. It causes destabilization of the colloidal particles and agglomeration of the destabilized particles. So whenever you talk about chemicals, chemicals are coagulants. The process is coagulation. 88. Determine the quality of bleaching powder required for a rural water scheme. So 20,000 liters of water is there. In 1 liter you require 2 mg. This is the demand of chlorine. But the bleaching powder which you are adding does not contain 100% chlorine. It contains only 50% chlorine. That means you need to add more amount of chlorine. So divide by 0.5. mg converted into grams, that is 10 raised to power minus 3. How much you will get? 80 grams. Cool. Okay. Now, the recommended maximum water supply for metropolitan and mega cities. Metropolitan and mega cities where sewage system is existing. Maximum. Metropolitan mega cities it is talking about. How much do they require? 150 LPCT. An irrigation canal flowing under pressure below a drainage canal. So drainage is at the top and the canal is at the bottom. So it won't be aqueduct, it won't be siphon aqueduct. तुरंत ही समझ में आ गया. So what will be the answer? An irrigation canal flowing under pressure below a drainage canal. Flowing under pressure बोल रहा है. Flowing under pressure. Super passage. How it can be super passage, guys? It is flowing under pressure. Read the question properly. Pressure में flow कर रहा है. Canal siphon. Flowing under pressure. ठीक है. बस because drainage is at the top, canal is at the bottom doesn't mean it will be a super passage. Pressure word भी पढ़ लिया करो. ठीक है. Aqueduct siphon aqueduct तब होता है when canal is at the top and drainage is at the bottom. In this question, drainage is at the top. Okay, canal is flowing under pressure below a drainage canal. Drainage ऊपर है, canal नीचे है और ये flow कर रहा है pressure में. So this will be canal siphon. canal siphon होगा. प्रेशर में फ्लो कर रहा है, नॉर्मली नहीं फ्लो कर रहा है. अगर सुपर पैसेज के केस में फ्लड लेवल इंटरसेक्ट नहीं होते, वो नॉर्मली फ्लो कर जाता है. ये फ्लो कर रहा है अंडर प्रेशर, सो इट हैज टू बी कैनल साइफन. गॉट इट? जस्ट बिकॉज ड्रेनेज ऊपर है ये नीचे है तो सुपर पैसेज नहीं हो जाता. जस्ट रीड द प्रॉपर स्टेटमेंट. ओके. नाउ इफ स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी इन अ ट्रायंगुलर चैनल इज E, क्रिटिकल डेप्थ कितनी होगी? सो स्पेसिफिक एनर्जी इज 5/4 YC. So YC will become how much? EC or E minimum by 1.25. कितना होगा? तो फिर पहले B क्यों बोल रहे थे? हाइड्रोलॉजी एग्जाम में अगर OMR शीट में B मार्क कर लिया ना तो फिर C नहीं कर पाओगे. ठीक है बेटा, तो थोड़ा ध्यान से सोचा करो आंसर देने से पहले. अभी तो ठीक है, बट एग्जाम के लिए आपको बता रही हूँ. Okay. In deriving the equation for hydraulic jump in rectangular channel sections, when you have conjugate depth, initial Froude number, which equation do you use? We have three equations: continuity equation, energy equation, momentum equation. Which equation do you use? Which equation do you use, guys? Continuity equation and momentum equation. ठीक है. Energy equation you don't use because in hydraulic jump you are not able to know how much energy is being lost. So it is not practically possible कि आपको पता चल जाए how much energy is lost, and that is the reason you don't go for energy equation. Rather you go for momentum equation, because momentum equation just corresponds to the external forces. Now, the base period of a 4-hour unit hydrograph is 48 hours. So 8 hours unit hydrograph का base period क्या होगा? 4 hours से 8 hours derive किया गया, तो base period क्या होगा? पहले जितना था उतना रहेगा. Check it out. 4 hours का अगर this was the hydrograph, 4 hours. Okay, so what will happen? This 4 hour will end, then another 4 hour will start. तो यहाँ पर भी extra 4 hours आएगा. So this will be 48. मैंने बहुत जल्दी बता रही हूँ. I guess you know this. If you don't, then let me know. 48 plus 4, 52. ऑलरेडी एक 4 आवर का यूनिट हाइड्रोग्राफ है. जब ये 4 आवर की बारिश खत्म होगी तब दूसरी 4 आवर्स की स्टार्ट होगी. सो यहाँ पर राइट हैंड साइड में 4 आवर्स एक्सटेंड कर जाएगा. सो इट विल बी 52 आवर्स. When was the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act enacted by the Indian government? Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act enacted by the government. 1974. Correct. 1974 में. और एयर का कब हुआ था? एयर पोल्यूशन वाले का हुआ था 1981, which was amended, and 1987 it was amended. amendment के बाद 1987 में फिर उसको किया था. 1987. So right now it has asked for water. If it asked for air, air का हुआ था 1981 में. amendment के बाद it was in 1987. Okay. And what about wildlife pollution? Wildlife का भी एक था ना 1972. I remember it. Wildlife Protection Act कुछ था 1972. That is also there. हाँ 1972. I remember it. Wildlife Protection Act. देखो इसको याद करने का तरीका, what I do is, मतलब अगर घर में किसी की डेट ऑफ बर्थ यहाँ के पास में ना, उससे याद हो जाता है. Like my mother's date of birth is 1972. तो मेरे को याद है. मैंने ऐसे मतलब I do it, you call it as mnemonic studies. रिलेट करके पढ़ लो, वो चीजें हमेशा याद रहेगी. 1972 मैंने पता नहीं जमाने पहले पढ़ा था, बट मुझे याद है वाइल्ड लाइफ प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट है. So when you relate and study, you are able to retain it for a longer amount of time. Now 95th. Average water demand of a small town in India is estimated on the basis of small town. स्मॉल टाउन में तो किसके बेसिस पे करोगे यार? स्मॉल टाउन. स्मॉल टाउन की बात कर रहा है, सिर्फ डोमेस्टिक यूज 135 लीटर्स पर कैपिटा पर डे. स्मॉल टाउन की बात कर रहा है ऑन एन एवरेज 135 LPCD डोमेस्टिक यूज. ठीक है, फाइन. So this completes our 95 questions which we had it. So guys, अब 7 बजे, because since we were having class in app, I don't want that you should break that timing. Hydrology, building materials and irrigation we will be having on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Okay, so you will be having it on 7 p.m. on this channel only. Okay, So guys, you will get the PDF and scholarship test link is in the description, and you will get the PDF. We'll share it to you in our Telegram group. So if you haven't subscribed that channel, kindly do so, and we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye, and thank you everybody.